Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the first match in round 2 and the scores have changed a bit. Kingston College now on 27, Meadowbrook High on 17. Kingston College gets an additional point for the question, who is the immediate past head coach of the Harbourview Football Club in Jamaica's Premier League? And the correct answer, Damien Stewart, was in fact given. So let's move into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please, as the first question comes from Bible knowledge. John wrote letters to the 7 churches of Asia in the book of Revelation. What was the 4th? That would be Meadowbrook.
Sardis.
Incorrect. Thyatira. Biology. What is the name of the layer which separates the xylem and the phloem in plants? Meadowbrook.
Cambium layer.
Correct. English language. What does the word lugubrious mean? KC.
Gloomy or solemn.
Yes. International affairs. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. KC.
Prayuchan
Ocha.
Correct. Chemistry. What are the products formed when silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride? KC.
Silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Sodium chloride and silver nitrate.
No, that would be silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Music. Listen to the clip. Identify the artiste. Meadowbrook.
What is it? Adaway.
Correct. General knowledge. Vermilion is a shade of which color? KC.
Red.
Correct. Spanish. Translate to English the following sentence. No hay nadie en la calle. KC.
There is no one in the street.
Correct. Geography. What kind of trees shed their leaves during winter? KC.
Deciduous.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen and identify this person. KC.
Steve Carell.
Correct. Information technology. A protocol that allows internet users to send encrypted messages across the internet is termed SSL. What does the abbreviation mean? KC.
Secure sockets layer.
Correct. History. Which of the following is correct about the 1692 Port Royal earthquake? The dead numbered 1,000 to 2,000, 3,000 to 5,000, or 6,000 to 8,000? KC?
Just said 3,000 to 5,000, right? 3,000 to 5,000.
Correct. Mathematics. The right angle triangle ABC has angle C, the right angle. Given that angle A is 65 degrees, what is the size, Meadowbrook?
65 and 90.
25 degrees.
Correct, of the B angle. Physics. A solid metal ball has a spherical cavity inside it. When the ball is heated, what happens to the volume of the cavity? KC?
It increases.
Correct. Sports, a visual one. Look at the monitor. Give the first and last name of this person. Meadowbrook.
Xavier Hernandez.
Yes. And Jamaican heritage. Which parish capital was formerly known as Petersburg? Meadowbrook.
Mandeville.
Incorrect. Morant Bay. And French. Which astrological sign is Bélier? Aries. Literature. Who penned the poem This is the Dark Time, KC?
Martin Carter.
Correct. Art. Which French artist painted Sleeping Gypsy? KC.
Henri Rousseau.
Correct. Bible knowledge. The former treatise. KC?
Acts of the Apostles.
Yes. Have I made, O Theophilus? Biology. What is the name of the thin covering which protects the root tip as it grows into KC?
Root cap.
Correct. English language. Which 9-letter noun starting? And that's the bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our match. The scores at this time are Kingston College on 51, Meadowbrook High on 21. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.